Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guys. Today I'll be talking about 3 things to be careful of when you're exporting Google Sheets as a PDF. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow my channel and like the video, and let's get started. So here's my Google Sheets document, my Google Sheets file. I always recommend opening it up in Google Chrome browser, whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or of course a Chromebook. One thing to note before I do the export, take a look at how the columns are set up. So see how they're all equal width there? And then also take a look at the fact that I have 2 tabs here. I have ebook and paperback with slightly different information on them. Okay, so to export, go to File, Download, PDF. And you'll be presented with a preview of what it will look like when you export it. So the first thing to check here is that the preview looks the way that you want it to look. And you can see that this is basically duplicating my exact view that I had when it was open up in Google Sheets. So the columns are basically the same width. And you can see the text is cut off here. So if I wanted to make sure that the titles were visible, I would need to cancel and then readjust that. Maybe just readjust it to that point so you can see most of the title there. All right, let's try that again. File, Download, PDF. That's better. Now, the second thing to check, it's only showing one tab. In fact, if you look at export, it says current sheet. If you want to export all the tabs into a PDF with separate pages for each PDF, use this little drop down here and select workbook. And now you can see both of them are visible. The third thing to check is kind of the orientation and the margins and everything like that. There's a couple settings here. Landscape is default because usually the spreadsheets are kind of wide. You can also select portrait if you want. You can also do things like fit to height. You can change the margins from narrow to normal to wide to custom numbers, etc. So just make sure everything looks the way that you want it to with these particular settings, and then click Export. Downloading PDF. It's just going to save it to my Downloads folder. And let's take a look and see what it looks like. That's basically what I was asking for. Actually, you can see there's a little problem here. 2 of these columns got cut off, so I might want to go back into the margins and fiddle around with that. But it exported a PDF, which is good for printing, maybe showing it to somebody else to review, but not letting them make any changes, etc. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Sheets, I've written a book about Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like the video and follow my channel. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.